we're gonna give this a test out and I'll let you know what it's like. First go with the plasterboard. Actually get it placed in the way you're meant to be going. Probably should have cleared that corner a bit better. Bit harder to wind up when there's a load on it. Right guys, around 7,500. There goes my wee block. Not too bad there. It actually went up. Not a bad cut. So, sweet. Almost forgot the steel beam there. We're going to give it a wee coat now. And then going to put fireboards over it anyway. And then that way it's really quadruple protected. The only thing is the paint's got really stiff. Had to mix up a wee bit there, but if we just get some nicks on it, I'll be happy. So just got the light out there, and we're losing light here as well. My nephew's bounced about painting beams for me. Just have to get this lined up now, and hopefully I've got the hole in the right place and get it screwed up. But the bench isn't too bad, just lifting up. But getting used to it. But not too bad so far. Guys, the most important thing when you're boarding is to stagger the boards so you're not getting any crisscrosses or big straight lines. Obviously it would have been easy for me just to go same, but that you lose structure, you lose strength, and you're more likely to get a crack from doing just that. So you better not doing that and stagger the joints always like bricks, like blocks. It's the same idea, guys. There's no straight lines. They're all brick affected, locked in. There we go, guys. All boarded. Again, like I said, it's staggered. And then I put the fireboards just along the steel beam there. And so the worst wee bit there where I forgot to trim this end, so I was fighting with it. So I just trimmed it here because I had it already up on the left and was being lazy. But yeah, still enough boards here to start the dining room and stuff as well. But it's a bit crazy actually plasterboarding it because just I hadn't even thought about it that much, or thought about plastering it that much, and now I'm actually doing it. It just feels like I don't know, crazy. Like we've taken a massive step all of a sudden. Guys, feel like it's all me now, as it's all plastering, baby. It's all plastering. We just really waiting on first fix plumber, but like feel like we're progressing well, especially with that ceiling on. I can't wait to get these heads dabbed and the windows beaded and the walls floated, and then everything skimmed out. Again, in here, I don't want to touch in here yet because the plumber will need to run some pipes up certain, up certain areas. But getting all that kingspan in, or that insulation in, was an absolute nightmare. I'm gonna be honest. I did have some help doing it, but it's kind of only one person can kind of fit it, and the other person kind of cutting and hatting up. So next task when I'm back in, I'm gonna insulate all of this right up, and then that means in here can all be boarded. It also means the eaves could be insulated and floorboarded. So yeah, should be fun, guys. It's gonna be extremely hard work, but it's all me now. I know more or less everything about this. The insulation, still learning me bits and pieces on that too. Was tempted to get that gapo tape, but I don't think our budget can afford it. Unfortunately, I do think that would make life easier, because you can allow smaller cuts and then just tape it up and push it in. But I'm just gonna have to cut everything as neat as I did in there. If I take my time and find I'm doing a good job, and again the adhesive foam around the edge does help. So yeah, but as far as that there, it's all me now. I know every little bit. Don't need to do much research and just need to get ploughed into it now. So hope you're looking forward to all these videos to come.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to macplastering.